Hi there, everybody. I'm just here watching for the potential for another tornado warning, and they just extended it. Grady and McClain. There we go. Look at that saying, this is a storm capable of producing tornado amber. This does not include more. It includes Newcastle, but it does not include more.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for west central McClain County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ember, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour.
And it did produce another tornado.
This is radar indicated.
I saw across the road. It was on the ground.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
and it did take down some tree lines. So what they say is very indicated. It did produce another tornado. Well, two tornadoes actually.
Newcastle, Blanchard, TUTTLE, Ember, and Bridge Creek. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to
Norman, this is just to your west.
And protect yourself.
Just to the west of Norman, where the SPC is located. And I'll be walking the storm right into Southern Metro.